I'm seeing you might hate your softness, but someone is praying for a heart like yours. Aside from what people say about you, what does Spirit have to say about you? Yeah, I'm feeling like if there's people talking, gossiping, making rumors, making lies, don't listen to what they're saying. Just listen to your inner knowing, your own intuition. You have or this connection has ancient wounds. It says, you are the star that lights up my world. I'm seeing you light up somebody's world. I drive by your house or workplace. Somebody might be visiting you. Or driving by, stalking. Jealousy. There's some jealousy. It could be a neighbor driving by your house and being jealous, or somebody's jealous of your house or your workplace. Divination. I'm also hearing you did some sort of divination, or you got some sort of clarity, maybe a reading done, and you found out that somebody else was jealous of you, or somebody who has jealousy towards you is doing a divination readings on you. Show it to someone. I'm hearing car problems. If you're having car problems, now it's time to show your car problems to someone to get it fixed. Showing up on your doorstep. I'm hearing if you're having car problems, you should get it checked out almost immediately, because that problem might be showing up at your doorstep. It might come quicker than you expect. I'm also seeing somebody might be showing up at your doorstep. This person might be driving by your house or your workplace. Rooster by Alice in Chains. This song is a message, or you might have a rooster showing up at your doorstep. Maybe you have roosters and chickens.